It's PWA 2020. Hi, I'm Lloyd Wells and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. I just wanted to let you know a little about what I have discovered recently. It's a program called Partner with Anthony. It's really an awesome educational platform for learning how to market just about anything. It's taken my email marketing to another level. One major program that he teaches within it is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is, if you haven't heard of ClickFunnels out there before, it's a platform that you use to market other products like PWA. A little bit about ClickFunnels. About a year ago, I got in a program that I was learning marketing, and ClickFunnels was part of that program too. I got in, I was all excited and everything, but I wasn't quite grasping it. Partner with Anthony has finally, I decided to get back into it, and it's like I had my aha moment, if you would. The program, he really takes his time and he walks you through. He gives you free funnels, free pages to market the PWA or whatever program that you're into currently. With ClickFunnels, it has an affiliate program. It's part of the Partner with Anthony. He gets you involved in it. He teaches you. He shows you how to do things the correct way. I didn't have that before, like I said, about a year ago. Now I'm got the dream going again. ClickFunnels gives you what they call their dream car. If you get so many active members, you receive a $500 a month affiliate commission off of that. And if you even go further and get 200 active members, and it's just the fact that I've got 2 right now. I didn't have that before Partner with Anthony, and now I do. I was marketing other programs, and with Anthony, he's really showing me how to do it the correct way. I've got a program that I use for email marketing. It's called My Lead Gen Secrets. I take the programs that Anthony suggests within the program, and I market over here on a daily basis. But that's for another show. So within we're called students within Anthony's program, and here's they give you this list here of all the students that have done videos similar to this, their first time attempts, or not necessarily first time, but their first attempt at PWA testimonies and reviews. So within the program, it just takes you nice and slow. He's got a way about him. That's Anthony does. He's got a way about him that just kind of resonates with me, and I'm able to grasp. I've actually had to slow myself down because I want to jump to the next thing, because he gets me so excited within it. And like I said, he's really showing you. I'm having success with it. So that's about it. And like I said, Anthony is really getting it. It's a small fee to get started with it, $7 to get started, or you can pay the yearly or the annual expense to it, and you just get in there and you just start learning. And it's it takes you in a slow process. It takes you within sessions. Session 1, I'll go to it here. There's 4 modulars in there, and it's the welcome, the tour of it, and he takes you nice and slow. And then you have another 23, 24 hours before you can start your next session. So it's not, like I said, nice and slow. He takes you on what I call the baby steps. And some of the steps I already knew, and so I jumped ahead. Wasn't sure if I was doing it the way he wanted to, and I discovered that I was on the right track. Some things I had to go back and change because he suggested this little tweak or that little tweak to get it out there and doing it the right way. Some of these links up here, when you first get started, they don't show up until you're in that session. He has resources for marketing, the resources where to advertise. This here, it just came up for me. I'm in between 13 and 14 right now. This is the Success Connect. Every Thursday night he has a webinar that it's great. There's so much value in this webinar. It's even really hard to explain. So it's just value filled. But so if this is your first time here on my channel, I'd like to say hello. And I would love for you to like, subscribe, comment, and share if you would. Remember to hit that bell for notifications. And once again, thanks and have a wonderful day.